everyone. So in this video, I will let you know how you can find any vulnerability on a website through the automatic way, right? So for that, we will use a tool. So that is JAP. So how we will use, I will let you know. So for example, for the attacking, I need to, for example, I need to find the vulnerability on website. So that website is Material. So I will click on this site. If you can see, I am able to enter this website. So I will find whatever vulnerability in this website. So I just start a tool, that is JAP. Click on enter here. So you will see it will start in a second, right? So it is starting here. So basically this is the tool which let our, like, there are multiple vulnerabilities, so it will let you know, like, whatever vulnerability in this, right? So I just start here. Okay, yes, here you can, so just close that. This is very like simple tool. Whatever you find in this tool, that vulnerability you can use with my lecture. Like, I have create multiple lecture in past with the vulnerability, how we attack on that, so you can use. Just click on this plus button, then active scan, and go to here. And you can see I'm just using this default policy. Whatever, if you want something advanced, you can add. So here you can see I am just select default or medium, not anything changing. But if you want something like cross-site scripting, so I just make this default. In default it will uh, use medium functionality. If you want something low, medium, high, whatever according to you, you can set that. There are multiples tab to modify it. I'm just using that and close, right? I'm not modify anything for that, but if you want, so you can. I'm just closing this and make this bigger. And here there is a automated scan, so just click on this automated scan and paste your website link here. So my website link, if you see, I will use that one. So just copy that and go to here, and okay, I'm reviewing this and paste. Paste, control V, yeah. And we have select, then start the attack. If you click on attack, so it will scanning your full website. Okay, I'm making this something bigger, yeah. So here you will find the vulnerability uh, with the default medium setting. I have already, you know how you can modified that. So you will see, we will get, if you see here, there are till now 0 red and 1 yellow and 8 like something low priority. This is not while priority, low priority, medium priority, high priority, right? So let's complete that, then we will look. It is going on here, you can see the number of. So this is the alerts you can see here, which we are getting here, right? Guys, this is like very useful tool, and there are multiple tools other which we can use, like modify the, like, scan the full website or page. Through that we will like get an idea what the vulnerability in this page. According to that vulnerability, we can try in our system, try to attack. What we have to just here we will get an idea, yeah, this is page, oh, this is page SQL or vulnerable. Then we have an idea SQL vulnerability in this page, so we will start thinking from the SQL vulnerability things. So then we will start. So just complete that, and we will let you know how we analyze the page. Guys, in my past lecture I already know there are one sensitive topic about the brute force attack. So very useful topic. You can see, visit my past lecture. I will provide the link into the description, so you will directly get the video and look at that very useful topic, and subscribe my channel to get the latest upcoming video on hacking. So my all hacking video only educational purpose, not for any target or any attacks. So these all are the educational purpose, but all video will be real and with the practical, not like fake video. So guys, I'm just here. I'm pausing my video because it will take, I think, much more time to scan. Once scan will done, I will resume my video and will let you know how we will uh, go next. Right. So I'm pausing here. I resume my video and it's look like complete. So here you can see there are one high priority, three medium priority, and eight low priority. So let's see in the alert. If you go to the alert tab, so you can see it's make like something module where you can whatever you want that widget. Like I'm visiting this one, so you will see there are three because we have one red flag. So you can see here there are one red flag, and there are three yellow. You can see these are three first one, and eight is low priority. So you can see the eight and last in two, which are information priority alert. So these are two. According to here, you can find 1382. So all number will showcase you. So in one there are path traversal. There are three path which are very red. That means these are very dangerous. And you can also see the description. Whatever you will get the path from here, and risk is high. You can see, right, and description you can read from here. There are like lot of description how this is very high, and here also it is suggesting the solution reference, all these things solution. You have to just analyze these all things, and you will also get the all things here, how it is request going and what code we are using in this page. Like there are multiple things which you will get an idea from here, right? So if you use the yellow one, you just click on this, so you will also get these all things. Guys, I the main purpose of this lecture, you you don't need to spend your time more time in other activity to find out. You just use the automated tool, and automated tool will let you know what type of vulnerability in this, and all vulnerability you can see here with the explanation. So you will get the explanation all vulnerability, and you will get idea where you can start the attack on your target. So will you will that idea. It's like something still is working, it is still working scanning. So that's why some rows coming into this. You can see the number of alert is going 1 to 2. So it is still working. So that is not a point. The point is you will now you will get idea, like this is the page, this is the high priority risk, and you will attack on this page according to first analyze this page, read the description, read the other things, read the code, read all of things whatever you are seeing. According to that you will get an idea now how you can start the attack on that page in real. So you start that attack. So this is the one tool. There are multiple tools in market, you can use also that. So this is all in this lecture, and please subscribe my channel to get the upcoming hacking new videos in 2023, right? So that's all, and I will provide my tutorial link and my playlist link in description, so you can directly visit to see the video. So that's all. Thank you.